Good morning, welcome to Crochet Rocks, and this is Happy Mail birthday. Happy Mail, go shorty, it's my birthday. I am short, so it kind of is apt. So anyway, I got this in the mail. Whoa. And I think it's Happy Mail. It doesn't say who sent it, but there was a little tiny tear in the corner and I saw there was yarn inside, and I didn't order any, and I thought the only other thing it could be would be samples, and I didn't ask for any. It's a bit remiss of me, isn't it? I should have to get on that. So I got some Happy Mail, and let's have a look. There is a card. For your birthday month. Getting into the spirit. A woman's guide to happiness. Find a man who is kind. Find a man who makes you laugh. A man who is rich. A man who can cook. A man who is amazing in bed. But most of all, make sure these men never meet. Isn't that brilliant? Oh, and it's from Claptrap. Oh, bless your heart. Oh, have a Gary, she put. Oh, have a Gary. Isn't that lovely? Thank you very much. I'll put that with the rest of my cards. I like that. Tickled my funny bone. So, yeah, we've got some yarn in here. Oh, and she knows that I like blue yarn. Look at that. Where's my neckline? Oh, here we go. Let's have a little looky. This is nice. I've been looking into Elise yarn because I could stock them in my shop, and I had a little look into them, so you never know, I might do. Obviously I can't do everything all at once, but isn't that lovely? Look at those colours. She knows that I love the blues. Well, most of you do if you've been watching me. This is Bebe Batik. Baby Batik. And this is a 100-gram ball, or 320 metres, 350 yards, 100% acrylic. It's in kind of foreign, but you can read it. Do you know what I mean? Foreign, but you can read it. So I'm just seeing, it looks like a, does look like a DK weight, like a 4 weight to me. But yeah, you can see the actual thing is in kind of, like, you can see it says acrylic. Doesn't spell like our acrylic. But isn't that gorgeous? That is so beautiful. Looking for the colour. Is this it? Little flap. Colour 2130. So no name, but look at those blues. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow, thank you very much. Thank you. There's more in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, wow. Now this is very colourful. Alo cake. Alo? Is that how you say it? Look at that. Wow, those are bright, aren't they? Aren't they lovely? Isn't that nice? I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it right. Alo yarn. 150 grams in this one. 300 meters. 100% acrylic. And again, I guess that does, yeah, 3 weight. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colours. They're bright, aren't they? Got a lovely purple as well. Because purple doesn't always film, but it's not too bad. Coming up all right. Isn't that lovely? Wow. Spoilt. And there's more. Wow. There are 3 of these. Lots and lots of yardage, meterage in this one. Look at that. Let's get this out because I think I can get into this. I'll have a look. Ooh. Lots of blues. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, wow, this is glittery. Didn't see that when it was inside, but there is a glitz in this one. Wow. And it looks so sparkly when you hold it. When you get to the camera, it kind of makes the colours a little less, and the sparkle look not so vibrant, but when you hold it here, that is well sparkly. So this again is Alo. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. 150 grams and 300 meters, 100% acrylic. But it's gorgeous colours, and there are 3 of those. 3 spoiled. And if you, oh, look at the way this one starts with the dark colour. Look, isn't that beautiful? It's amazing. It transforms, doesn't it? It's the same yarn, same colours on the same cake, but it puts them in a slightly different kind of order, doesn't it? And so they look a little different. So this one again starts with the light colour like this one does. But, wow, look at that. I can't hold 3. Stupid little hands. Like, I actually was served by a girl yesterday who had even smaller hands than me. I thought, she'll have trouble picking anything up. I have trouble. But she was kind of very, very challenged in the digit department, I tell you. She won't be good with yarn. That actually looks like a heart there, doesn't it? Oh, it's kind of cute. Let's make it look more like one. Thank you very much. I absolutely love it. Thank you. This is so sweet of you. And this is beautiful. I have had some Elise yarn before. But that'll make a nice little hat, won't it? I could make a little hat for maybe Harley or Tyler. I think it was Harley that needed hats. Oh, was it Tyler? I can't remember now. But wow, I love this one with the sparkle. Thank you so much. That's so sweet of you. And I love the card. And you're too good to me, guys. You really are. Thank you very much for all that you all do for me, watching my channel, comments, interaction, watching those nasty ads, and all the messages you send, and the well wishes and the prayers and everything. I do absolutely appreciate it and love everyone for that. So thank you very much. And I'm going to put all my cards up and then go out with Gary for a little while. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Take care. And happy birthday to me. Bye for now.